talk about choosing and, supporting a cause like Walls. I mean, of course, everybody knows what it's about. It's about women against lazy stubbles. And of course, rightly so, we have the right to, considering we keep ourselves so groomed and, we spend a lot of time on ourselves and looking after us. The least we can do is, especially when the Gillette Mark III razor gets so inexpensive and it's just $195. We expect our men to look cool. They need to look great with, just nice, smooth, clean faces. And that's why we're supporting it. And now we are at war. And we're hoping that they shave more often, almost every day.
It's important that men shave. They look so much better when you shave. Trust me, you guys out there, you don't know how much women love shaved, clean skin. You always say that, men keep telling women that you need to tell us what you're thinking about because we can't read your mind and we're not expected to read your mind. So this is a clear message where we're not letting you read our mind. We're just letting you know that you have to shave because that's what women want. So now you know it out there. The secret's out.
There is always a huge positive attitude because I think a clean-shaven man looks the best and he has a poise and he always stands out and he looks clean and I think girls want that.
If we've announced war, there's no day till we don't win war. So they have to shave every single day. And it's not so hard. It's like, it's almost as easy as combing your hair or something like that. Men just choose the easy way out.
Gillette is the leader in their specific brand, their specific product, which is a manual shaving razor, a device. So it is the leader in its own right. I don't think there's any other competition because wherever I see razors, I only see the Gillette Mark razors. So it was but natural that Gillette would come on board and support this cause and help us get our message across.
Gillette and then the whole brand association comes because we're all here for a cause, which is Walls. It's women against lazy stubbles. So we're really associating ourselves with that, and we're trying to tell men that they're very hot in any case, but they'll get even hotter if they shave. And clean-shaven men look fantastic, and that's what we're trying to promote over here.
It's a great concept that they've started. Walls Hair is the name of the movement that we started, which means women against lazy stubble. So we are ganging up and we are going to send the message across to men that they must shave. Shaving every day is extremely good.
ये Gillette Mark III न्यू प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च है और मैं इसके साथ एसोसिएट इसलिए हूँ कि ये वॉल्स को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. वॉल्स मीन्स वुमेन अगेंस्ट लेजी स्टबल और मैं भी एक वो औरत हूँ जिनको स्टबल पसंद नहीं है. तो आई गेट टू कन्वे माई मैसेज थ्रू Gillette through this launch. So that's the association, that's the launch.
Women have the right to have the men around them be presentable, be clean, be fresh looking. So that's the movement that we have, and of course the logical person to partner on the movement is Gillette because they are the foremost leaders in razors and manufacturing of shaving material for the very same process. So it was but natural that we associate with the brand, and we just hope that you guys and especially women out there join this movement and are pushing men to shave more.